Welcome back to the TV toy part. I went ahead and took all the screws out of this on both sides. That's about how it was. About how it was on both sides. Took all the screws out. I left a couple. That one don't want to come off for some reason.
Hey Bird, what are you doing?
This one I already did. Yep. I already pulled that one. I gotta go to the other end. Down there at the tip of the screw. Go ahead and pull this off. It's all trash anyway. It's all trash. Pull this out. Yeah, I've been putting them all in this little container, the same container. Here's my screw gun. Can't get far done. Can't get much done on that. Out there. That gun's bright. This I'm gonna have to get my other Phillips screwdriver. Gonna have to put you down for a minute. If you fall over, I don't mean to drop them. I know I'm gonna drop you. That's why I'm trying to debate where I'm gonna put you. Oh, poop on it. I'm just gonna go ahead and try to break it off. Otherwise, I'll just leave it on there. If I leave it on there, I'm just gonna put one back on that corner. This thing needs to go. It's in my way for the moment. Not bad. Just a little dirty. Clean that up a little bit. Yeah, that's good to go. Alright. Get this pulled off. Same way with the other one. That's all that. Throw this in the trash. So yeah, that's all of it that I got so far. This I can't get off, so I'm just gonna leave it on there. Just gonna grab a couple of other ones. I'll get my lid. You know, a little lid so I can hold more in here better and get to it better. Get to this one better than I can the other. Okay, I only need one of these. Put it back in that hole. That one's on the bottom, so I'm gonna put this on top. Now I don't have to worry about it falling completely off on one side. So that's that. This part here is the bottom part. It's got the light things on it. And so does this. Got the light on the end, or whatever you want to call it. That lights up the inside the TV. Alright, well thanks for watching. That's it on there. I will get back to you later when I start weighing everything on that piece of metal with the weight scale. And I'll give you all the final weigh of all this weighed together. All the steel. And then all the trash. And all the plastic. So I'll catch you all on the next video when I do the weight scale. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.